Hi, how you doing? So today we've got chicken breast stuffed with Parmesan, cheddar, a couple of spices, wrapped in bacon, thrown in the oven. Super fantastic and delicious. I'm serving that with a little bit of tomato sauce and these black pepper potatoes with onions. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get started by prepping our chicken. Now I've got 2 chicken breasts here, no skin, no bone. What I've done is I've scored it down, opened it out a little bit, you can see that. And then I've sliced it down the middle so it opens out like so. So, scored and opened. Let's get something inside that. We'll get some nice cheese and some garlic and a few herbs. So very simply, what I've got there is I've got like a cup of grated cheddar cheese. I'm going to add to that some Parmesan cheese. And you can do whatever cheese you want really, and the amount you want to do is up to you. So you've got like a cup and a half there now of cheese. We're going to go oregano, just like a teaspoon, some salt, some black pepper, and then here I've got some lovely stuff. I love this. It's a lovely smoked paprika. Teaspoon of that. Then garlic, again like a heaped teaspoon, so maybe 2 teaspoons there, you know. Simply we're going to give that little mix together. And off we go to the next stage. So we've got our little cheese mixed together. And by the way, you can put some onion in there, or you know, something different if you want. You can really sort of play around with it with the spices and stuff like that. So I've opened out our chicken breast. That's the score side. That's the scored side. So what we're going to do is we're going to get cheese and mostly put it on the other side. Okay, we've used that up. Now what we need to do is fold it and get it as tight as you can. So get it over there, press it down. Get it over there, press it down. Obviously this is going to melt in the oven. So you've done that, we can now move on. Okay, so I've got one of the stuffed breast here and some bacon. I'm using a nice streaky bacon. It's nice and thin cut. You don't want too much bacon on it. You know, it's nice thin strips. It works out really well for this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece, and what we're going to do is we're going to gift wrap this chicken. Now, what you want to do is ideally you need the sill or the ends of it to be at the bottom. So we're going to go underneath here. Let's see how we get on here. See, that's coming up there. That's not ideal really. It will work, but not ideal. In the oven it will come off. So let's go and see if we can do that a bit better. Okay, so the best method that I find is starting it here. So you've got the bacon over there. Then we're going to roll it over and then tuck it under. Basically what will happen if the end of the bacon is there, it's going to kind of unwrap. So I'm going to finish that off, and that's it. We're going to wrap it all around. Okay, so beautiful. That's done nicely. We've covered it up there. You can double wrap it if you want. You could go the other way on it if you fancied. But yeah, let me get the other one done. That's it. Fantastic. So easy. Okay, and there you go. Beautifully wrapped. Lovely cheese and herbs inside. They're ready for the oven. So what I've done now is I've placed our chicken breast into a metal tray. Now you can use ceramic or glass if you want, just something that can go into the oven, obviously. So preheated oven, you want that oven on at about 220. I'll leave all the details down below, or it might flash up now or something. 220, and we're going to put that middle shelf, and it's going to go in for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so the chicken is in the oven, and while that's in there, I'm just going to make these fries. So what I've got here is I've got some cooked potato, all nice and small. You see that? I've peeled them, washed them, boiled them in a little bit of salt water. Got some sliced onion there, like one onion. We're going to add a bit of seasoning to it. Fantastic. So very simply, as you can see, the potatoes and the onions are in there. We're going to get some salt on there, and then plenty of black pepper. And then I'm going to just give that a little mix up, and then off to the frying pan. So I've got a hot pan of oil there. I'm using the sunflower oil. There's maybe 3 or 4 centimeters or something. That's heating up nicely. What we're going to do, we're going to drop. There you go, it's nice. We're going to drop these in, and we're going to fry them quite quickly. Maybe only like 4 to 5 minutes, otherwise the onions will just turn black. But like I said, the potatoes are cooked. Hot oil, see in about 4 or 5. There you go, 5 minutes, look at that, beautiful. Off goes the heat, I'm going to get them out, and we're going to be serving this, obviously, with our chicken. Nice black peppered onion fries. Okay, so they look good, don't they? That was like 25 minutes in my oven. We're going to cut it in a moment to do the reveal, obviously. I'm going to serve this with a little bit of tomato sauce and some slices of tomato around the edge. Beautiful. Okay, the moment of truth. I've got some gloves on just so I can hold them because they're absolutely boiling hot still. Okay. And there we go. Delicious, delicious. Look at that. Fantastic. So, fresh tomatoes, little bit of tomato sauce on and around. And that's done. That's a beauty. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you very, very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.